Oh, come on.
Hi, Snoop. Hello, Snoopy. Hi. Hi, baby.
Can't believe we're burning this shit. Fuck that nigga. Posted chilling.
Have some water. You can touch your balls like you usually do.
Huh? What this guy named Paul done did? That's all.
Does it matter?
He has been bad. What is this? Dude, this is some like... Can you see? We named him Paul and we're burning him, so is there a guy named Paul out there that's going to fill this shit?
No.
I hope so. That'd be awesome.
No. There's nobody particular.
But that's not fine.
I have a lighter, but I think we need like an accelerant.
No, you got the Mickey D's there. Yeah. And Bush. Yeah.
All right, here we go. Bush is wet.
Well, Mickey D's is usually bushes are wet. Yeah. Fuck Bush. And goddamn motherfucking mountain lions might come down this motherfucking maul my ass. That's that shit. Get that out. I don't think this is going to start it like there we go, look, that's what turns green and shit. Yeah, that's oh, that ink. Yeah. Watch out. Hey, yo. Look what I got here, homie. What is that? Some dead brush. A dead what? Oh, brush. Yeah.
Yeah, put it on this side.
Yeah, put it on the other side, too.
Under his legs.
Under his leg.
Under his
Pick
legs.
his legs up. Pick his legs. Alright. Hold it up.
Wait, here.
Oh, she said, fuck yeah, somebody's so down.
See what?
What you do for 4th of July? What did I do? Yeah, you went to Raj? Nah, man, I went to, what's up with Raj? I went to Elkins, West Virginia to a car show with my cousin. I fucked this bitch that I don't even know. What's up? That's cool.
Sounds like a good plan.
Oh, yeah. Her name was Sierra, that's all I know.
Fun time. Ow!
Watch out, I'm gonna wave her up a little bit. And me and my cousin was just chilling. Yeah, Isabel, fun time.
Always fun.
I'm living it one day at a time until December 17th. 16th. Again, dude. And then my ass is getting high as a motherfucking pipe, son. You gonna see me up there with Jesus. We's up there. We's always up there. Isabel, we're always up there, ain't we?
Where?
With Jesus.
Yep.
Gravity bonging it.
We're buddies.
See, that's fucking smoke, man, from the leaves. I hope it takes it. Yeah. Watch out. Man, I wish I knew some democratic shit where I could come this motherfucker and somebody in the fucking real world thing. Like I'm on. That was cheap wishing. Huh? There is no wishing. I believe in that shit. You believe in that shit?
Psychopathic motherfucker.
Now he's got to put his arm into the fire, there you go. Here. That was just funny as shit. I think they're going out. Hey, yo, too much room, man.
Look.
Yeah, no,
Like little burning hands.
oh, shit.
Oh! Ah!
There we go. There we go.
Oh!
It's going now, yo.
There you go.
You know how hot it's got to be to get them clothes on fire? It's going now, look.
Look, that was burning day. Beer!
I think you have to get it where it can go and start getting the wood on fire. get some more dry brush. I got it right here. Put it in the front. Put it near his hand where the shirt's on fire. So this ain't doing nothing but burning weeds. You know?
Right here.
Here. I need to get some coals going, you know? Right here. Yeah. Now move that over to the other side on the arm. Yeah, put that on his arm. Yeah, like that.
No. Just let him burn slowly however he burns.
But what if he don't burn like that? You know what I'm saying?
We're just accelerating the process a little bit.
We just speeding it up.
Damn.
What?
People gonna come over here and be like, what the fuck is y'all doing?
Bonfire, drinking a beer. Oh, that fire is on. That chair's on fire, boy. That shit's burning.
I hope we got enough water to take this shit out.
Fuck that shit.
Hey, don't go out here, man, Jay.
Cowboy done. He's on fire.
Outback Steakhouse.
He's about to fall back, too. Fall. Oh, his neck's right check on it. Oh, he's done. He's gone.
He's burnt.
He's burning.
He's burnt.
Beer sauce? Oh, he's burning. Look at him. Nope. That's just called for nothing. Picture? Yeah, video recording, dog. Three times. Oh, yeah.
Say hi, guys.
What's up? She's on 1 hour for story. She's on fire. Oh. Whoa. Sunday, what are you doing? Paul is on fire. He's burning. Give me a lighter. Oh, he's falling.
In my hand.
Where's the keys, Paul? Where's the keys at? They're over there. Oh, they're right here, dog. They're blowing shit. Oh. Hey, we got a wildfire on the hand here, dude. That's good. What's up, man? Hey, we need to find some wood. It's just not gonna keep going unless we find wood, you know what I mean? It's gonna keep going. I feel sorry for that nigga. I feel sorry for that chair. That shit's like a tiki torch on top. Check the chair, yo. That shit's like tiki torch. Oh, no. Stop this shit.